Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Tech on Deck. Today we have an upgrade for, let me show you what I'm replacing over here. Look at this craziness. Look at this. So I was using this lapel mic that I had gotten originally because you can use it with your phone, or it also had the adapter for the camera, for the Canon camera. So this, oh look, they apparently have a unit that also comes with a mic, but we got it to replace that nonsense I just showed you. It's just one step up. We have two transmitters or microphones and a receiver. Now this is gonna be perfect because this goes exactly the same. I can use it either on my phone or on the camera. And this has a really cool mount where it would go on top to hold the receiver. That's freaking perfect. So let's start unboxing everything, taking a look. I did see a couple of other videos on YouTube. Whoa, that thing flew into my lap, luckily, onto my lap. Someone already reviewed this, and along with 3 other ones, and they showed audio examples of how it sounds. Now obviously I'm opening this at this moment, so I'm using the desk mic that I usually use. This has been gone through many tests. This is a very good sounding mic. You can tell because you're listening to me right now. If I remember to turn it on. For some reason this seems heavier than this one. They're both transmitters. So let's see. Seems like battery goes. Yep. And that's AA. You can see right there. We have multiple channels. Let's see, this is a receiver. And AA as well. Yeah, the sound quality on these were really good from what I heard. So we have the actual microphones here that go to the system, and then depending what you're going to use it for, see, it says right here, that's your mobile phone line. And oh, what? They both say that. Oh no. Well, the labeling messed up, because I can tell you, because we here on Tech on Deck know about our technology. You see these black little rims on here? Yeah, one has more than the other one, obviously. These are the 2 different pairs. So one is, they're just labeled wrong. One is for the camera and one is just for the phone. So no adapter needed, which is another reason why I was getting a lot of feedback on this crazy other mic. Oh God, sorry. On this one, because it was just way too much stuff going on there. Yeah, so I had to upgrade. Now, this is a quick video just to let you know the new Tech on Deck. And you will be able to hear exactly what this sounds like on the next Because You Gotta Eat episode coming later today as well. Or actually, no, I'm gonna do that first to see if the mic actually works just as well, or if I need to return this. But I'm fairly confident in this purchase, so yes, after the Because You Gotta Eat episode, where I will utilize these, I will go ahead and post both of these episodes. This Tech on Deck and that Because You Gotta Eat episode, both of those episodes up today, Sunday. So if you're chilling at home, you're gonna have something to watch, something to do. Maybe get inspired to cook or something else. Who knows? Watch other videos on here, see what you find. Alright, everyone. Peace.